Hi, in front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher. Wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you want to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were connected successfully, but you can always forget the connected device by tapping on this little icon next to it and choosing on Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!